This is a video by Richpin. Today we're working on a 1956 Volkswagen Beetle. This happens to be my bug. And last weekend we took it out for the first time since we put it away when the pandemic hit in 2020. But I had a little problem. While I was out driving, I could smell gas. So when I got back, I looked around the gas tank, took the gas cap off, and underneath I could see a little gas. So the seal underneath there is not sealing too well. So today we are going to replace that gasket underneath the gas cap. Now what we did is we put the gasket inside the old Chevy K20 in the sun, so it will be nice and pliable. Whoop, we're gonna make sure there's no mice got to it. Oh, there wouldn't be any mice in my truck, would there? There's the gasket right there. It should be ready to go now. We put the gas cap in the K20 in the sun for about 5 or 10 minutes just to get this gasket pliable so we can get it off. Just in case we have to put this one back in. You never know. Alright. It's a little pitted underneath there. Let's see if we can clean it up a little bit before we put the new gasket in. Here's our new gasket, and I think you can see the part number on that. Okay, gasket looks good. Let's put it on. Wow, jeez, that looks like it's setting higher than the one that was in there. This is this replacement is rubber and cork, whereas this one right here, you can see it's not cork, maybe neoprene rubber. Let's put it on. Here is the new gasket in the cap. We're ready to go on. If you're wondering what this is a little sponge I made to put around the neck of the gas tank, but I found a better use for it. When I go to the gas station, I put it right there, and then I take the cap off and set it right there. I think one time I had it on the spare tire and it fell off, and then I said there's got to be a better way when I'm refueling. Let's take this off. Let's see how the new gasket fits on. Oh, yeah, that seems tight. I'm sure that's going to seal real good now. But the only way to tell is if we take it for a ride. So let's take it for a ride now and see if we fix the problem. And we're out driving in the bug on a beautiful day. Let me take my shades off. Yeah. It's beautiful. There's no more gas smell. So that gasket really worked. Simple little thing like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.